rad digital dash, very nicely done. Tilt steering wheel, automatic start and stop, Mercury active trim. On this side you have a nice head, completely plumbed, porcelain head, light. There's a sink in here for cleaning up, some storage in there also.